Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the rear hatch glass struts on this vehicle. As you can see, they no longer support the rear glass, so I'm going to be replacing them. Looks like they've been leaking lately, so I bought new ones for this one, for the rear glass, and actually for the rear door itself. Here are the new parts that I purchased on Amazon. I'm a big Amazon buyer for parts, usually if they're cheap. Most of the time they last quite a while, but usually never have an issue. These two are for the rear glass, and then this one is for the rear door. Alright guys, so right here I'm using a 12mm wrench to remove the ball socket for the struts. Alright guys, sorry for the bad recording angles, but right here I realized that the rubber grommet on the socket stud was actually spinning with the grommet itself, so I had to hold it with a crescent wrench to get it off. Most trunk or hood struts actually have a little like release lever. This one seems like it doesn't. Usually it's on the back end of it, but look how blown this shock is. Both of them, actually. The new one's really hard to press in, so these also have an indication of what side they go on. The new ones I bought don't seem to have an indication of what side they go on, but I'm just gonna compare them side to side and install them, whatever matches closest. Here are the new ones. Super tough to push in, so these will definitely keep my rear glass up. And if you can see right here, here's a little lever that you can open to actually remove these studs. So these will be easier to replace in the future. Right here I'm using a pocket screwdriver to release the clips to allow the studs to be released. Now I'm just installing all the studs for the struts. Also, I'm being careful with the crescent wrench when holding onto the rubber grommets so I don't damage the glass or the heater grid on it. Now I'm just installing all the rear struts for the glass, and that is pretty much it for that. For the rear door strut, I'm going to be removing one nut and two bolts. These are all 10mm. I sprayed the WD-40 to help remove the nut easier. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. After replacement, as you can see, everything opens and closes smoothly. There's definitely some tension now on the rear. Now it opens up by itself, and even when I open up the rear hatch, it springs out by itself. Parts costing me probably maybe around 40 bucks for both. Nice little upgrade, as this door would not swing open by itself and this one would pretty much fall on its face and not stay up. That's it, guys.